everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. I want to talk about those people who ask you to sell their stuff for them online. Just say no. Please just say no. Unless it's one of these items. First of all, don't do business with relatives or friends.
Allison, would you sell my lamps for me?
Allison, will you sell that chair for me?
Okay, so I am selling the blue chair for my mom. Okay. So I went against my first rule. Don't do business with relatives or friends. I know we've all been asked at one time or another, could you sell some things for me on your little eBay store or somewhere online in that world? I just don't know how to do it. Hey, can you sell my mom's Hummels for me online? Definitely a no. No, can't do that. Sorry. I generally don't sell for other people on eBay. Oftentimes the amount of work that goes into it is just not worth my time, and your time is worth money. My only exception is selling furniture or large kitchen appliances. For a time, I had several clients who I was helping sell their furniture and large kitchen appliances for. My take was 50% of the sale. Here's why. First, you have to have an agreement in place. Next, you want to take multiple pictures of the items. Most of these sites that you're going to post on have at least room for 10 or 12 photos. So make them good ones. Make sure the lighting is good. Everything you would do when you're selling on eBay, your smaller items, you want to do for these large items as well. Get the most out of the photos because the pictures will help sell it. Make sure you take accurate measurements for each piece. Also give a guesstimate of the weight of the item. This way, the buyer will know whether or not they need to bring extra people with them. Then you'll want to research similar items for sale so you can accurately price the piece. Confer with the seller so you're in total agreement on the listing price. And then also manage their expectations on the time frame. A lot of times these things don't sell in a day or a week or even a month. Also, the expectations on the piece itself. For instance, I had a client who wanted me to sell their 1990s pine armoire. Now, those kinds of pieces are massive. They're really big. And today, people want minimalist, kind of mid-century modern Danish design kind of pieces. So that one was going to be a tough sell. I did sell it, but I think it sold for about $250 or $300. She wanted to sell it for like $600. So the expectations have to be adjusted with the piece that they're selling. Next, you'll want to tap the like button and hit subscribe. Thanks for doing that. Then you need to write the copy and post it on multiple selling platforms, including Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Nextdoor, eBay Local Pickup, Craigslist. Yeah, people still use it. Just know that if a Nigerian prince says he doesn't have the money, but he can get it to you next week, don't fall for it. Now you're going to become the point person who answers all the questions from potential buyers and the crazies. And we all know there's always crazies. And finally, you're going to have to schedule a convenient time for the buyer to come to the seller's place to pick up the item. And we all know how crazy everyone's schedules are. Everyone's so busy. So in the end, make it worth your time and energy if you're going to sell other people's items. Otherwise, just say no. No. It's okay to say no. Here are a few things that sold on my eBay page, Long Island Thrifter. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.